Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Keenan went to Grace Church School in the East Village. Tuition for the coeducational private school costs more than most colleges, more than $53,000 for the 2020-2021 school year. She then enrolled at the University of Southern California before transferring to NYU.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Bachelor contestant's job description listed on the show is socialite, but that's not what the rising star does for a living. Kit is still a college student, but just a peek at her Instagram account proves she already has a big career ahead of her as a social media influencer.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cynthia Rowley. Kit's mom is Cynthia Rowley, who founded her own fashion line in the 1980s and became a well-respected designer over the last few decades. For celebrity net worth, Cynthia Rowley is worth $100 million from running her fashion empire.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Kit Keenan, a contestant on Matt James's season of The Bachelor and the daughter of esteemed fashion designer Cynthia Rowley, is the first to admit she's lived a privileged life, but that doesn't mean she's not down to cook dinner at home in her sweatpants every now and then.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.